Alright, this is just a quick update on some of the integration that I've been working on between Cura and Octoprint so that you can slice on your Raspberry Pi so you can slice an STL on your Raspberry Pi through Octoprint. So just to make sure that you know this isn't magic, this is my Octoprint uploads file. This is of course on a much larger machine than my Raspberry Pi at the moment, but the setup should be similar. So I'm going to go ahead and start my server and then reload Octoprint. And as you see, Octoprint's running. In settings, there's a new setting called Cura, which you basically have to point, your CuraEngine path will point to where you have CuraEngine compiled and the binary. And then right now I only have support for a single slicing profile. So you could theoretically come in here, change this to whatever profile you want it to be, this last little bit, and save it, and then drag and drop or upload your STL, and it would use that. It uses whatever profiles in here. Future features will include being able to select which profile you want to use and all that kind of stuff, and save multiple profiles. So anyways, so there's a new setting called Cura. You save that. And then, as you can see, there's nothing here. There's nothing in my Octoprint uploads. And we're going to go ahead and upload a 50 cube STL. And boom, Cura is so incredibly fast that it already finished slicing. So this, right now, there's a small bug I'm ironing out. It's a little late right now, so I'm not going to try and iron this out, but hopefully get to it by the end of this next weekend or so. The 50 cube STL is showing up in the file manager, even though it's not supposed to. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that right now. And so you'll see that it popped off of the uploads. But basically, there's a little bit of logging output right now. Some of this will get cleaned up, but you got some CuraEngine output, and then this is happening in basically a thread gets kicked off that does a subprocess call so that I can do a callback that tells there's a file analyzer to basically add the G-code file to the menu over here, so that because this has to be asynchronous off of the actual server call. So that's it. Go ahead and check it out on if you want to, on my branch on GitHub. There's an open PR on Gina's basically on development on Gina's fork, or her, she's not really a fork, her repo, and then my fork of her repo. There's a branch called Cura Integration that has all this stuff in there. It does require that you have CuraEngine already installed, and there is that one little hiccup where the STL file will show up here, but other than that, it's pretty similar. I need to merge master. Anyways, that's it.